we're going to proceed with our usual schedule. But just before we begin, we always like to have a bit of fun and show some big picture things have evolved. So it happens this week that we got an email from one of our graduates from last year, and at the end of the year, you see that I've got a T-shirt there at the on my board, and so after about 10 months of punishment and pain and all this, you're going to get to the end of it and you'll have presented at the annual meeting. And then we send you a T-shirt on top of everything else. So one of our students from last year's Kyiv team just got his T-shirt and actually prepared a little video. So Jesus, do you want to share your screen to show what he sent? It's a 1-minute video, I believe. Kind of shows you where you'll be in about 9 months or so, or 10 months maybe.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Okay. Anyway, we just thought we'd share a bit of fun. What we find is the relationship we build with our evolved students, we like to say, is a lifetime relationship. And of course, you can see, we encourage creativity and so on. And I think that was a pretty creative video. So we just wanted to kind of share that with you guys.